everybody. I think this is recording. Fingers crossed. We're going to do a little singing today. Okay? So we've been listening on and off to this song on the YouTube. Maybe you sang it with me outside. Maybe we've been looking at the storybook in class. This song is perfect for this time of year. And so I thought today we could practice singing some of the words. Okay? You can watch this video more than once if you want to practice it more than once. You also can watch this video and then take a look at the YouTube video with the lyrics on the screen and sing along with that. But what I thought we'd do is we'd echo the words. So echoes just mean repeat after me. So if I said echo, 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 you'd repeat echo, echo, echo. Okay? Echo, 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 echo. So we're going to do that one more time. And then we're going to jump into the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Okay, so let's try some echoes. Teachers, if you're watching, or families at home, if you're watching, you can help encourage the echo echo by singing along. All right. So if I went echo, 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 echo. That's it. Now let's echo these words. Okay, so my turn first. Don't worry, your turn. About a thing. 'Cause every little thing, your turn. It's gonna be all right, your turn. That's it, my turn. Don't worry about a thing. My turn. 'Cause every little thing, your turn. My turn. It's gonna be all right, your turn. Now let's jump into the verse. We just finished the chorus, which is the part that stays the same. And in this song, our verse actually stays the same too. But it sounds different than the chorus. It sounds different than that catchy part that we sing and we think of when we think of this song. Okay? So let's get into the verse. I love the words of this part too. It tells the story. Okay? The verse. Here we go. Echo, echo, echo. Echo, echo. Rise up this morning, your turn. Rise up this morning, my turn. Smiled with the rising sun, your turn. Smiled with the rising sun, my turn. Three little birds, your turn. Three little birds, my turn. Pitch by my doorstep, your turn. Pitch by my doorstep, my turn. Singing sweet songs, your turn. Singing sweet songs. Now this next part has a word we use in music, but it can be tricky when we sing it in this song. The word is melodies. So take a moment and say the word melodies. Melodies, okay? Now let's sing it. My turn. Of melodies pure and true, your turn. Of melodies pure and true, my turn. Singing, this is my message to you, your turn. Saying, this is my message to you, beautiful. That's the verse. After the verse is finished, we go back to the chorus, okay? So let's do echo echoes on the chorus one more time, okay? Echo, echo, echo. Echo, echo, echo. Echo, echo. I hope you all are doing it. Here's the chorus. My turn first. Don't worry, your turn. My turn. About a thing, your turn. 'Cause every little thing, your turn. It's gonna be all right, your turn. My turn. Don't worry, your turn. My turn. about a thing. Your turn. Sorry. My turn. 'Cause every little thing. Your turn. 'Cause my turn. It's gonna be all right. Your turn. It's gonna be all right. Excellent. We're working on it step by step. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, because on my screen you're going to see the lyrics to this song where the words are written. So lyrics is the name of words of a song. It's kind of the only time we use the word lyrics are for words to a song. Song lyrics, words to a song. So we can actually look at them while we sing. Okay. So let's do this guy. All right. So hopefully you can see all of the words on the screen, all the words that are important. You might see my face kind of little. See if I can make me bigger. Here we go. I don't know if you can see my face bigger. I'm okay with the Zoom, but I'm not that good yet. So we'll see. Okay. So hopefully you can at least see a little bit of me, and you can see 3 little birds of Bob Marley. Okay. These are the song lyrics. So if I point my mouse over here, we're going to start at the beginning. All right. We're going to start with this one. That's line 1. We're going to echo, echo line 1. Then we'll echo, echo line 2. Okay. So these are bigger echo, echoes, bigger pieces to repeat after me. My turn first will be a little longer, and then you'll repeat. Then we'll do line 3, and then we'll do line 4. I have to tell you, I try really hard to follow the real words of the song. For some folks, some of you all students at school, I might not say singing, I might say saying, I might make a mistake. It's always okay to make a little mistake. The idea is that we're having fun singing the song. If I make a mistake, I'm real sorry, but don't worry about it. In fact, don't worry about a thing. Everything will be all right if I make a mistake. You might make a mistake too, and I'll tell you, I don't worry about it at all. So same thing, we're gonna get to the verse, and then we'll do the first line of the verse, then the next line, echo, echo. So we're gonna do bigger echo, echoes. This one will feel a little bit more similar to the first time we did it. We'll go all the way through it, okay, the same way. But then when we get to the verse here, whoop, too far. When we get to the verse here, the chorus, sorry, here, we're gonna sing the whole thing without an echo, echo, okay? So we'll sing the whole thing from there. So let's go back up to the top. We're gonna start from line 1, doing echo, echoes. Now I wish, as always in music, I wish I had 4 hands instead of 2 hands so I could outline it at the same time. It's not gonna happen, so you just gotta stick with me, okay? So let's start with line 1. Okay, and this time we're still gonna do echo, echoes for 3 little birds. It says by Bob Marley, and then we are gonna start with line 1 of the lyrics. Echo, echo, echo. Echo, echo. My turn. Don't worry, still my turn about a thing. Now your turn. Don't worry about a thing. Now it's my turn. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be all right. Your turn. 'Cause now it's my turn. Don't worry about a thing. Your turn. Don't worry about a thing. My turn. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be all right. Your turn. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be all right. All right. Now we're moving on to the first verse. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to stick with each line at a time. Let's see if I don't make any mistakes this time. My turn first. Rise up this morning. Your turn. Rise up this morning. My turn. Smiled with the rising sun. Your turn. Smiled with the rising sun. My turn. 3 little birds. Your turn. 3 little birds. My turn. Pitch by my doorstep. Your turn. Pitch by my doorstep. My turn. Singing sweet songs. Your turn. Singing sweet songs. My turn. Of melodies pure and true. Your turn. Of melodies pure and true. My turn. Saying, this is my message to you. Your turn. Saying, this is my message to you. Now, no echoes. Let's sing the whole chorus. Those are the last 4 lines that you can see on the page, I hope. Ready? Here we go. Sing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey! Okay, we've made it this far. So we're gonna do one more thing before I sign off of this, and maybe you wanna follow up this video by watching the YouTube. It's up to you all. If this takes a long time, great. If you wanna repeat it, awesome. But you're also more than welcome to watch or to listen to the song, The Real Version by Bob Marley after this, okay? But here's the last thing we're gonna do. We're going to sing it from top to bottom with me. If you look at the words that I have posted, you'll see that we do the chorus once. That's the don't worry part. Then we do the verse, the rise up this morning part, and then we do the chorus one more time, don't worry part. So it's kind of like A, B, A, chorus, verse, chorus. Now the real song, when you listen with Bob Marley, does this to another full time. So it's 2 times all the way through, okay? So you'll sing that verse again and then that chorus again. Right now, I just wanna do chorus, verse, and chorus and stop with you all. If you listen to the YouTube or you listen to the song or you look up the words yourself, that could be a fun thing to do, to look up the lyrics yourself. You'll see that it repeats. The whole thing does it one more time. It's like a giant echo, echo. So instead, for now, with me, we're gonna sing the chorus, then the verse, and then the chorus, okay? So why don't we do that from the start? 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley. We're singing from top to bottom, the first half of the song, which has all the lyrics we need. Ready? 1, 2, actually, you know what, for me, I'm gonna take a deep breath in. Everybody breathe in and out. Everybody breathe in and out. That helps me a little when you sing for this long straight. Whew. You need an extra breath every once in a while. All right, now we can start from the top. 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley, starting with the first chorus. Ready? Here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Now on to the verse. Here we go. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds itch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Now here comes the chorus. It's singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. We made it! Woohoo! We made it. We made it all the way through the lyrics for the first half. So I'm more than happy to have you watch this again. I'm more than happy if we have families and students who are joining on Zoom. This is a great activity to do at home. You can do it with your friends. You can do it with your family members, brothers, sisters, whoever's around you at home that would like to do some singing with you. Go ahead, okay? This is also something you can do more than once. So if you do it one day and all of us are enjoying doing it, feel free to pull it up another day. There's never a problem with more music. Never, ever, ever. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna sign off and stop sharing my screen. If you'd like to go ahead, hopefully that worked. You can see me again. If you'd like to go ahead and watch the YouTube video, the one that's my personal preference, if you're watching, if you don't have the link, but you should, hold on, I'll bring it up. So classroom teachers, you're gonna know most likely which link that I like the best because it's the one that I sent to you at the beginning of the year. Hopefully we can add it to a Padlet, maybe you already have, for families to access, but I'll pull up the one that I like the best just so that we're on the same page. I haven't checked all the other ones. This one I've checked and I like the video. My YouTube is going slow. I'll tell you what it looks like. Ooh, here we go. It looks like if I type in 3 Little Birds lyrics, from Bob Marley, lyrics, that word about the words of a song, lyrics. Here, I'll share now. Here we go. If I look here, when I search 3 Little Birds, I had to scroll down a little bit because my favorite one is this one that has a light blue background and a black tree, okay? So if you're searching for it, 3 Little Birds, Bob Marley with lyrics in high definition, HD. It's this light blue video with the black tree. I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch it instead of recording it here because you'll have better audio quality and I'll get to take a little break instead of listening to it again. So it's been great. I really like this song and so I got to listen to it lots of times. We won't get into that. However, go ahead. That's more a joke for parents and teachers who are watching than you guys, than you kids, okay? So I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and watch that YouTube if you'd like to again. And now you know the words even better. That lyrics video won't have echoes. It'll just sing the whole thing, but it'll sing it through twice so you can practice it even more when you want to. Okay? So thank you so much for listening. Ça va bien aller. Everything's going to be all right. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.